the Big Bang Theory is facing more challenges than ever before. In a recent study, scientists have claimed that the universe has been getting bigger 7 times faster than it should. There are some other theories as well, such as heat death or heat maximum. But what if there's something beyond that? Today we are going to look at one crazy theory, which will blow your mind, and you can decide for yourself how valid this theory is. Our universe is full of mysteries. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, we find ourselves surrounded by things we do not fully understand. We have been exploring space since time immemorial, and with each passing day we learn something new. However, there are still many things about our existence that remain unexplained. One such mystery is the question of what lies beyond the universe. This question has kept humans awake at night for centuries, and even today it continues to be one of the most profound questions of all time. So what exactly do we mean when we say universe? The word universe refers to everything that exists. It includes all matter, energy, space and time, and all the physical laws that govern them. It is all that we can see, all that we can detect, and all that we cannot see or detect. Our universe is vast and complex, and we are still discovering new things about it all the time. However, despite all our advancements in science and technology, we still do not know what lies beyond the universe. One of the most popular theories among astronomers is the idea that our universe is just one of many that exist. It is called the multiverse theory. According to this theory, there are infinite universes out there, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. It is possible that these universes are all similar in some ways, but also very different in others. Some may have different physical laws, while others may have different constants. It is even possible that some universes may have different forms of life. This theory suggests that our universe is just one of many, and that there could be infinite other universes out there. Another theory is the idea that our universe is contained within a higher dimensional space. This theory is also known as string theory. According to this theory, there are more dimensions beyond the 3 spatial dimensions and 1 temporal dimension that we experience. This means that our universe is just a small part of a much larger whole. There is also the theory that our universe is actually a simulation. This idea suggests that we are living in a computer-generated reality that is controlled by a higher intelligence. Despite the lack of evidence, some people still believe that our universe is not all there is. They believe that there must be something beyond our observable universe, something that we have not yet discovered. These people argue that if our universe is truly infinite, then there must be more to it than what we can see. They believe that there could be other universes, other dimensions, or even other forms of life beyond our observable universe. However, without any evidence to support their claims, these beliefs remain just that, beliefs. While we may never know for sure what lies beyond the universe, it is important to remember that the unknown does not always have to be scary. In fact, it can be exciting and full of possibilities. The universe is vast and complex, and there is so much that we do not know. And who knows what wonders we may discover in the future. Now let's talk about a really mind-blowing idea. What if the universe itself is inside a black hole? Imagine a black hole so massive that it swallows up entire galaxies. This colossal black hole is truly terrifying, and any object or light that ventures too close is inexorably drawn into its event horizon from which there is no escape. However, what if this black hole is just a tiny part of a much larger structure? What if there is another universe on the other side of this black hole? This idea may sound strange, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, anything that crosses the event horizon of a black hole is forever lost to the outside universe. However, there have been several studies suggesting that there may be a way to travel back in time by crossing the event horizon of a black hole and then using wormholes or other exotic phenomena to return to the past. In fact, some physicists believe that the Big Bang was the result of a quantum fluctuation that occurred at the edge of a black hole. According to this theory, our universe is just one of many that exist within a larger multiverse, and each universe has its own set of physical laws and constants. It is possible that these universes are all similar in some ways, but also very different in others. Some may have different physical laws, while others may have different constants. It is even possible that some universes may have different forms of life. Let's imagine that you are an astronaut who has been sent on a mission to explore the depths of space. You have traveled for months in your spaceship until suddenly you find yourself approaching a massive black hole. As you get closer to the black hole, you feel the gravitational pull becoming stronger and stronger until it is impossible to escape. You cross the event horizon, and suddenly everything changes. The blackness that you were expecting does not appear. Instead, you find yourself in a completely different universe. This universe is full of strange and wonderful things that you have never seen before. You may encounter planets made of pure energy or stars that emit music instead of light. The possibilities are truly endless. In this new universe, the laws of physics may be different. Gravity may work in reverse, or time may move backwards. You may even find other forms of life that exist outside of our current understanding. As you continue to explore this new universe, you begin to realize that it is even vaster and more complex than our own. There are galaxies and nebulae that are completely alien to our own, and you may even find evidence of other black holes that lead to other universes. As you venture deeper and deeper into this multiverse, you begin to question everything you thought you knew about the universe. You may even begin to wonder if our universe is just a small part of a much larger whole. This is just one example of how the black hole inside of another universe theory might play out. The truth is that we don't really know what would happen if someone were to cross the event horizon of a black hole and emerge into another universe. The theory that the universe is inside a black hole is a radical idea that challenges our understanding of physics and the nature of reality. However, it is not entirely without merit. There are some aspects of our universe that are difficult to explain using current theories and models, such as the behavior of matter at the atomic level and the origin of the universe itself. Some physicists believe that these mysteries can be solved if we assume that our universe is just a small part of a much larger whole, and that there are other universes beyond our own that contain different physical laws and constants. Overall, the theory that the universe is inside a black hole is a fascinating and thought-provoking idea. While it may not be the most likely scenario, it is certainly possible that there are other universes beyond our own that we have not yet discovered. Who knows what wonders and mysteries they may hold?